I have accidentally locked the oven on my Siemens Induction stove. The top works, but the oven will not come on. The lock sign is on and time, which is increasing. I'm not sure of how old and the model. I accidentally locked while trying to set the time while I was cooking. Can you tell me what the key means and how to unlock the oven?
Hold the lock button for 3 seconds and then let me know what happens.
The key sign disappeared. Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help. How do I rate you?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.